Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video I will show you how to upload sound on TikTok. Many of us don't know how to upload sound on TikTok. So today I am gonna showing you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end. Firstly go to TikTok apps. Opening the TikTok, then you need to upload any video. As like I record some moments, then I need to press on plus icon. After that you will see sound option bottom of the left corner, then click on it. After that you will see this address bar. You can search which song you like to add on TikTok. As I search Old Town Road and I press on it. After that many of song you will see. Then I chose first one and then need to press on right icon. After that the song will be load. And let's have a look how does it look. So from this video we learned about how to upload sounds on TikTok. If you get any help from this video, then don't forget to thumbs up our video and comment below down which topic you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and please share my channel with your friends. Bye bye, we will see you in the next video.